Are you generating leads online, but they're the wrong fit? Tire kickers, freebie seekers who never buy, or people completely outside your ideal audience? If you're tired of filling your pipeline with unqualified prospects, it's time to stop getting bad leads. What if the secret to attracting only your perfect customers is simpler than you think? This video reveals how the right freebie can act like a magnet, pulling in exactly who you want to serve. Many online business owners make the mistake of creating a generic free offer just to grow their email list fast. But a big list of the wrong people is useless. It leads to wasted time and effort trying to convert people who will never buy. You need a strategy to attract your ideal customer specifically. Imagine this. Every lead that comes in is a perfect fit, genuinely interested in what you offer, and excited to potentially become a customer. That's the transformative power of a well-crafted freebie, and you can stop getting bad leads today by implementing this strategy. So, how does a simple freebie help you attract your perfect customers? It acts as a filter. By creating a lead magnet that is specifically valuable to your ideal customer's unique pain points and interests, only the right people will be motivated to sign up. Your free offer demonstrates your expertise on a topic that matters to them, builds trust, and pre-qualifies leads. It's a strategic tool to get ideal leads and build a list of people who are genuinely interested in your solution. Creating a lead magnet for ideal customer attraction isn't about giving away everything, but about giving away the right thing. Make it highly valuable. Solve a specific problem your ideal customer has and ensure it naturally leads into your paid offer. Ready to stop getting bad leads and learn how offering a freebie can help you attract your perfect customers? Check out my other videos for detailed guides on how to create a lead magnet to attract ideal clients and master your lead generation strategy.